Okay, guys, I'm gonna step away from the computer right quick. I'm pretty sure we'll get filled here. So give me 1 second, and I'll be right back. Let you guys go ahead and watch the trade play out here, and I'll be right back. Okay. Actually, I probably should. Let's see here. Yeah, I'll be right back. Okay. I know I entered the video here, but I just just as soon as I ended the recording here, guys, I took a trade down here. You see this blue little rectangle right here. This was pulled back to a level right here at 43.96, and this is just to give you an example of the W structure I was talking about. So price pushes up, forms a level right here at 43.96. Okay, pushes up, pulls back, and then breaks higher. Price retraces back to that level. What did I tell you? Wait for the W structure. The W structure is right here. Okay, all right. So W structure is right here. Price is going to, well, it's already bounced right here. This was taking an entry right here, and then price is. If you're looking for profit area, I got a question. Well, once you see the W structure, you take your trade. How do you know where to get out of it? How do you know where to take your profit at? That's kind of a personal thing. You just kind of gotta know where to. I guess what I'm trying to say is like your first level or two, your first contract or a couple contracts, wherever you want to take out at. But this is the area you should be wanting to focus on right here. This little swing to the downside, this is the level. So when price came down here and made that W structure and rejected and fell, it's going to probably pull back up to and test the level right above it. So this is where you get out at. So you enter the trade, you pick up, somewhere between probably 5, 6, 7, 8 ticks right here. It could be a point, point and a half, whatever the case is. It's still profit, guys. So I just wanted to, I guess, give a quick insert into this video here and let you guys know that I actually took another trade right after closing this video here, and now I'm up 50. I'll show you guys. We had 37 ticks. Now I'm up 50 ticks right there. So on that trade there, I'm gonna double check, guys. Yeah, because I entered in with I think 2 contracts. Okay, so yes, had 37 ticks at the close of the video. Now I'm up 50 ticks. Okay, so that brings my total up for today for trading at $625 even. Okay, so you guys can do it, guys. Just stay focused, guys. And make sure to start your day off right by doing the regimen of things I discussed and talked about earlier in the video. Okay, take care and see you in the next video, guys. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Future Trading with Mike, and I thank everyone once again for joining the my live day trading recording session here. I'm trading the Emini S&P 500, guys. I do this every single day. I wasn't able to trade last Friday. I didn't trade Friday, so please forgive me for that. But yeah, I try to post my live trade sessions or my live recordings of my trades, trading the even the S&P 500 to my channel here on YouTube. And I appreciate everyone who subscribed to the channel so far. If this is your first time watching one of the videos, thank you for joining and watching one of the videos. Hopefully you'll gather some good information or valuable information. I am a price action trader. I trade just a simple strategy that I have. I use just simple pullback trading to identify levels, and I wait for the rejection and failure, and I take that pullback trade, take the entry or take the trade based on a pullback. So if you haven't, this is your first time watching one of the videos, go back and watch some other videos. You see I have tons of videos on my channel of me showing me profiting every single day, trading the markets, trading the future markets live, and recording the sessions and posting them. So thank you, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. As always, everyone knows that I like to start off my session, um, kind of just talking about the prior day session. And I didn't trade Friday, so Friday was the 8th of October, and looking at it, it looks like a doozy of a day there. We're just moving sideways, building just moving sideways pretty much the whole session, even up to the closure of the day. But we did start to make a lower low. So at the end of the day, it looks like, and before the session closed, just building some volume here at this high volume area. So those that know, I'm a price action trader, and I just use pure price action, follow price action, and I like to look at the volume profile. That's it. Um, so not much on Friday, just kind of back and forth. Was there good opportunities? Yes, looks like price kept bouncing off this level right here from the 7th. This level right here, where price is pushing up, pulling back and pushing higher. Price pushed up, bounced into it, came to it again, boom, came to it again, boom, again. It came to it like multiple times during that session on Friday. So, yeah, it's just one of those things, guys. Price was going to have to, it was going to have to break above 44.21 area if it wanted to push higher, but it didn't. It just kind of went sideways all days, bouncing off this level here at 44.80, say 44.85 area, multiple times right there. So, all right, so what's taking place this morning? Well, this morning, the market opened up pretty much in this area right here. So it looks like it came down here on the early part of yesterday. Actually, during the Globex session, when the market opened up around 7 something, 8 o'clock, um, the market bounced here at a little level right here, pushed up, pulled back to that level right there, and then push higher. Started stair stepping its way up, but it's going to have to. This was just based on a pullback, guys, on a pullback. Okay, so price is going to have to break 44.20. What did I say? 22 area if it wants to push higher. 44.21, 44.22. And so far, not much. I mean, activity. But market's been kind of bullish today. You can see these green candles closing strong to the upside. So bouncing right here off a little. Let's see here. Yeah, off a little level right here. Little level right here at 44.03. So you guys can see that 44.03. All right. Looks like a little level there. 44.03. Just bouncing steadily right there. Have a little high volume node. But ultimately, all in all, the big picture is like I really would like to see price come back below this high mounting of a volume area, and then look for a trade in to maybe go long. But prices so far is more than bullish, so we'll see what happens here. I actually have already taken a few trades prior to, guys. I was let's see. Yeah, I'll show you my trade performance. I was actually got into trading this morning, trying to make I was trying to get the video started going, but the recording, the audio started messing up, so I had to stop the recording. So now I'm redoing the video again, but either way, it's okay. So far today, I'll just show you guys. Today's the 11th. Okay. And I'm up just 24 ticks right now. Oops. 24 ticks. Okay. And so I've taken a few trades already into this session already. So hopefully we can get a few more trades here on the live recording here. Okay. All right. So this is my live day trading session that I'll be recording, and I appreciate you guys for watching it. So price keeps going back to this area right here. So let's see what happens. Let me see what we have right here. Yeah, it's actually a little level right here at around 4,400 right around this area here too. So let's kind of keep our eye focused on that area as well. So that's going to be right around here. Okay. All right, let's see what happens. So guys, you got to make sure, before you start your day off, make sure you're starting it off right. Make sure you're going back, reviewing the market structure, or kind of doing a complete analysis from the prior day, just kind of to give you a good understanding what the market structure is prior to you going into your, getting ready for your setup of trading for the day. That's what I do. I give you guys a market recap, pretty much, kind of go back and see what happened the prior day. I look at the structure, see where we're at. We have this. We had the swing high right here at 44.21. We did a break that to push higher kind of thing. So just make sure you're off to a good start. Starting your day off right, before you start trading, whatever market is that you're going to trade. And that starting your day off right, step one is going in and looking at the prior day, looking at the market structure, being able to analyze it. And then from there, start marking some levels and start studying and taking a look at price action at that point. Okay, so that's a little self-help tip for today, a pointer that I can kind of give you a little bit of a pointer that you can go off of before you start trading. So, all right, okay, let's see. So we are. Okay, the B block is shifted to the upside here, so we've got to be quite careful here. You could get a push to the downside here to this little high volume area right here on both on the 4 and the 12 range chart. So this is a level right here I mentioned at 4,400. So we'll have to wait to see what happens here. But yeah, let's see what happens. So we're around the VPOC. So you guys know that have been following the videos that this is an area where price would like to push and pull. All right, let's see if we can get a bounce. See if we can get something. The price comes down to this area down here. See what happens. So. Try to come down there. Yeah. Okay, we're here. Okay. So here we are at this level here. Okay. Not quite sure. I had that red line there. This is also a round number, guys. So be mindful that. Okay, so I'm long. I'm long here for a few ticks. I am early on this trade entry. The price can continue pushing a little lower, but we are at this centralized level right here. Price is kind of trying to rotate here, so we'll see. Market's not too much activity so far. I mean, we had this nice little push up here, so not too much. We don't have the rejection yet, guys. I'm early on this trade, so Price can push a little lower here, which I don't want to see it do, but okay. Let me look. Let's see. Okay. Hopefully we get filled here. Start to form that little W at the bottom here. Little rejection, so hoping I get a little, see where we're at. Okay, 44.25. Okay. Hmm. Come on. One tick away. Price could bounce right here though. Ah, that sucks. Come on now. I'm gonna go ahead and try to see if we can just get filled here. Come on. It's already hit that area twice. Let's pull them back off of it now. So far we haven't got the full closure or that full structure formation. Put that W there. They push down. Pushed up, pull back. So we haven't got the close to the upside. So yeah, not fully liking what I'm seeing here. Market's kind of slow right now. Yeah, come on. I may try to just wait. Let's see what the market's going to do here, guys. It's 10:45 right now, so I'm just trying to get filled in this little trade real quick, guys. Trying to get out of it now because I don't like the pace of the market right now. It's just very sluggish. So come on. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and take out this trade. I don't like what I don't like what's going on here. The pace of the market is just way too slow for me. Come on. Ah, what the world? Moving sideways, but the VPOT's going to shift. It keeps building volume like right here. Watch it. It's going to shift from here to here. I'm trying to get out the trade and break even on this trade, but it's keeps building volume right here. It wants to. Yep, see? VPOT just shift. There you go. I knew it would. Now I'm definitely getting out the trade. I don't like trading around the point of control. It's just way too tricky. Look at it. Come on. It's irritating. Aggravating, aggravating. Back and forth, back and forth. That's why I'll tell you guys, don't trade around the point of control. It was right here, and it pushed down because volume started to accumulate in this area right here. So wait to get out this trade here, break even, and then just stand down until I see something that's just makes more sense. And we can push lower now. It does not want to. Come on. Look at it. Okay, there we go. I'm just gonna get it. I'm standing down, guys. I knew it would come back up there, but it's just rotating here. It is building a little W there, but it's just not worth it right now, guys, to take that trade around the point of control. Look at it. It would have failed me if I left my profit there. But I just, see, it would have failed me. Just the market's just, the pace of it is just not moving fast enough. So that's, when the pace is not moving fast enough, see, I would have got filled. I knew what I was doing, but to me, when it just doesn't play out fast enough for me, I'm getting out of it. I don't want to take a chance of it, coming back against me. I would have got filled there and taken a profit, definitely so. So the pace is not there, guys. Just go ahead and get out your trade, break even, and just move on. Like I said, don't get all emotionally tied up into your trades. Just, do what feels right. Okay, so we're gonna see what happens here. Yeah, maybe price comes back to the VPOC. I'm not saying maybe so. It could get a little bounce there. Um, Let me see here. Possibly. If it comes back to the VPOC, so this is going to be a quick little bounce. If we can get back to the VPOC, we'll see. Whoa. Come on. Okay. I'm already in. Price can't come lower. I'm just looking for a quick little bounce here. That's all. Price can come a little lower though. Okay. Become lower, like I said. So I'm in the trade way early, guys. And I'm trading around the VPOC because I know what price is going to do here. So this is just being able to follow price action, read what the market's what the market has already done, and knowing that this could be a pullback on a micro level, at a micro level. So I'm just being very aggressive here. All right. Very, very aggressive on this trade. Come on. Gosh, the market is very slow today, guys. Come on. All right. Okay. Yes, I'm being very aggressive here on this trade entry. So bear with me. Still hasn't rejected on this pullback yet. Okay. All right. Come on. We'll see what happens. Should get filled here. Trading the point of control, around the point of control. This is a pullback to a micro swing level, and I highly recommend you guys not to trade for one around the point of control. So it's okay. It is a dangerous area to trade. Okay, guys, I'm gonna step away from the computer right quick. I'm pretty sure we'll get filled here. So give me 1 second, and I'll be right back. Let you guys go ahead and watch the trade play out here, and I'll be right back. Okay. Actually, I probably should. Let's see here. Yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so we got filled in that trade, right? Okay, go ahead and close that last contract out there. All right, so um, 24. Okay, so I mentioned I had 24 ticks before. Now we're up 33. I'll show you guys that. Um, looks like I picked up. Okay. All right. There we go. Market is kind of sluggish right now, so I'm not sure how many trades I'm gonna be able to take. Those 33 ticks, so that's $412.50, guys. So far today, I took that trade because of the there's a level here. Remember, I told you right here at 4,400. All right, two things. There's actually an identified level, and that is a round number level. You can use that as just waiting for the rejection. The rejection was right here. You saw that W. It finally gave you the W, right? All right. And what did I tell you guys to do on W? What do you do? Wait for the form of the W. Okay, that means the rejection is coming. It pushed up, and then on the pullback to the W, take the entry. Now the trade is not going to, you're not going to have much to, really profit off of, because your area of profit target is going to be somewhere between 44.03, primarily. So between 44.3. So you're only going to have just a few ticks there, maybe 4 or 5 ticks, because this is a little tight area right here. You have resistance sitting right here, but because it was a pullback to this little W formation here, you can take the trade to that area, and it should push up there. So let me show you. Tell you what I do. Just gonna take a quick little trade. We should get filled here, and this is just a quick little 4 ticks. Should come out to 44.3 1/4. Thinking it will. Let's see. It could bounce here though where it's at though, but I'm just showing you that we could possibly take a. Okay, it already hit that area. It hit 44.3 like I told you. So, let's see what happens. Yeah, so it's hitting that area already. It's hitting that area by up to 1 tick. So let me possibly need to. Oh, here we go. All right, there we go. I know it hit it. 44.3 1/4. So it hit that area there, right? All right. So I think we should have 37 ticks now. Just picked up. I'm sorry. I'm not sure what happened there. 37 ticks now. The chart got messed up. Uh-oh. Okay. Let me figure this one out, guys. Okay, my chart had got messed up, so I had to reload the script. But anyways, price came up to that area, just like I told you to. I mean, like I told you. So you wait for the W formation there. Okay, price, that's the rejection. Rejection, price pushed up. On the pullback to the W is where you want to take your entry. But like I told you, only up to 4,300, 43.25. Oh, excuse me, 44.03.25 is going to be the area where you're going to take profit in. Okay, and price come up there to it and pretty much hit it to the tick. So, all right, maybe I don't know if I'm going to be able to get to any other trades, guys, because we are dead smack around this high volume area here, and price is building volume, and the pace of it is very slow, and I don't like it. So, unless price moves away from this area, meaning I really want to see it like push higher and start taking out some highs, or just kind of move away from this POC, I'm just not going to be interested in trading at this point. So I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. It's kind of a shorter video today, and sorry about not being able to record the first couple trades that I took, but just wanted to get a couple little trades in on this session here on this recording. But all in all, today I actually did profit 37 ticks, and on 37 ticks, like I said, that's actually $462.50. I'll show you guys. So all my trades today were long entries. Okay, so that's going to be pretty much it for this video today. I appreciate everyone who's been following the channel. Like I said at the beginning of the video, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please take the time to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I mean, I do have longer videos on my channel where you can watch more of me trading based on price action and my pullback strategy at identified levels. So basically, I just wait for the formation. Say if I'm taking a long entry trade of I call it like a W structure in a sense, and then once that tells me that price is actually rejecting that area, and then when I know price is rejecting that area, meaning it pushes up and then pulls back to it, I'm interested in possibly taking a long entry. So if you flip it around from the top, then I'm looking for an M structure to form, and then basically an M structure to form. Price rejects the area, meaning it pushes down and then pulls back to the M structure, and then that's when I'm looking to go short. So it's pretty much as simple as that, guys. But yeah, I appreciate everyone for following the channel. If you don't mind, please go ahead and hit that like button for me. I definitely appreciate it, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. I mean, you have nothing to lose, only to gain. The information is free. I have nothing to say to you guys. I'm just a live price action trader, and these are my daily recorded sessions of me posting to my channel. So thanks, guys. See you in the next video. And as always, if you're trading, please be safe in the market, guys. Take care. Okay. I know I ended the video here, but I just as soon as I ended the recording here, guys, I took a trade down here. You see this blue little rectangle right here. This was pulled back to a level right here at 43.96, and this is just to give you an example of the W structure I was talking about. So price pushes up, forms a level right here at 43.96. Okay, pushes up, pulls back, and then breaks higher. Price retraces back to that level. What do I tell you? Wait for the W structure. The W structure is right here. Okay, all right. So W structure is right here. Price is going to, well, it's already bounced right here. This was taking an entry right here, and then price is, if you're looking for profit area, I got a question. Well, once you see the W structure, you take your trade. How do you know where to get out of it? How do you know where to take your profit at? That's kind of a personal thing. You just kind of gotta know where to. I guess what I'm trying to say is like your first level or two, your first contract or a couple contracts, wherever you want to take out at. But this is the area you should be wanting to focus on right here. This little swing to the downside, this is the level. So when price came down here, made that W structure and rejected and fell, it's going to probably pull back up to and test the level right above it. So this is where you get out at. So you enter the trade, you pick up, somewhere between probably 5, 6, 7, 8 ticks right here. It could be a point, point and a half, whatever the case is. It's still profit, guys. So I just wanted to, I guess, give a quick insert into this video here and let you guys know that I actually took another trade right after closing this video here, and now I'm up 50. I'll show you guys. We had 37 ticks. Now I'm up 50 ticks right there. So on that trade there, I'm gonna double check, guys. Yeah, because I entered in with I think 2 contract. Okay, so yes, had 37 ticks at the close of the video. Now I'm up 50 ticks. Okay, so that brings my total up for today for trading at $625 even. Okay, so you guys can do it, guys. Just stay focused, guys. And make sure to start your day off right by doing the regimen of things I discussed and talked about earlier in the video. Okay, take care and see you in the next video, guys.